Now we will wire the outdoor stat. This is what the outdoor stat comes with. It will come as a grey little box, and you need to bring 2 cores back into the indoor from a north facing position on the house. So when we remove our outdoor sensor, you will see the thermistor is located here. Simply wire your 2 cores, one in the far left, one in the far right. Wire back to the indoor. So where we've wired the outdoor sensor is found by 118.5 and a common. So if we go to our green block here, we can see 118.5, and again any common will do. So we can take the orange or the green, it doesn't really matter. In this case we'll take the green because it's in the same line. So we'll just connect our common end, which goes straight in there. And our 118.5 is green, so we're in the same row, directly underneath it, push in, and that's our outdoor sensor wired.